Do subscribe our Techno Guru class channel and please don't forget to press that bell icon to receive further updates.
Hello friends, this is Ritesh here. Welcome to our Techno Guru class and to the Python for Beginners series. Here in this tutorial, I'll tell you about the default argument in functions. Okay, if you saw my previous video about function, here I'm going to discuss about the default arguments. Okay, now what I'm talking about is what is default argument. Okay, so let's say def I'll create one function, let's say your name. Okay, and inside that I'll pass some argument, let's say f name comma l name. Okay, these are the two parameters. Press enter and let's say I'll just display these values, that is f name comma l name. Okay, I'm just trying to display this, um, and I will press enter. Now what happens is basically when you call this function, you need to pass two values. Let's say techno and second name I'll pass as guru. Okay. So now when you press enter, what happens is it will just display you the first name and last name whatever you are passing. Now, I was talking about default argument. Now, what is default argument? If you did see, it's quite similar over here. Okay, so guys, what you have to do is def, let's say your name. In C also we have this default argument concept. It's quite similar over here. So let's say f name here you can see something new. So equal to I will give some value, default value. Let's say Jimmy. Okay, and comma and let's say last name. So last name I'll give as mm, Thomas. Okay, so these are the two values that will be considered as a default parameter for f name and l name. Okay, so now when I try to display this, so I'll display f name, l name, and if you call this function now, and suppose if you pass two parameters in this, let's say again I will pass techno space and I'll pass guru. Okay, if you press enter you can see techno guru has been displayed. Okay, now what happens if you just pass techno? Okay, so let's see what happens basically, this kind of concept. If you press enter you can see this techno has been passed to the f name. Okay, so that's the reason f name is displayed as techno, but you didn't pass anything over here for last name. So what happened is L name is defaultly taking Thomas, right? So instead of F name taking Jimmy, I have passed Techno. That's why it is taking Techno. But I didn't pass anything for last name, so defaultly it is taking Thomas, right? So that is something that you're doing. Okay. Your name again. Let's see if I want to just pass the last name, right? You don't want to pass the first name. So that scenario how you can work. So basically what was happening is if you're passing techno, I mean you're not defining anything, you're just mentioning your data over here, that is automatically given to f name. It's like priority. Okay, whatever first you have, that variable it's going to take. Now what I'll do here, you can see I'll mention over here that last name equals to, so let's say I'll say Kuru. Okay, and now what will happen, just find out. If you press enter you can see the first name has been considered as the default name, that is Jimmy, and the last name has been assigned as Guru. So this is something that you can trickily do over here. So this is called something called default argument, guys. In this tutorial this much only. This was the short tutorial. Do watch my next video. If you like, guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Do support us. Thank you for watching this.